Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to explain how you can install plugins in your web design projects and drafts on Penpot. So let us dive into this. Navigate to the web designer in Penpot, and here in your draft, guys, click into these three dots, hover your mouse over plugins, and choose the plugins manager. Alternately, use the shortcut Ctrl, Alt, and P. After that, what you want to do, guys, is you want to navigate to the plugin list by clicking into this button if you haven't installed any yet, and then go through that list here, right? So I will go with, I don't know, any of these, for example, Object Remover, click into install here. And then the plugin will ask you for permission to be installed. So let me grant that permission for the sake of this tutorial. And yeah, as you can see, it has been installed. So what you want to do now is navigate to your project or your draft and use it from there, the given plugin, depending on its functions and features, of course. So that's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.